Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys. You guys. You guys. Shh. Okay. It is 11 o'clock p.m. in the middle of the night. It's in the middle of the night, y'all. It's in the middle of the night, y'all. Okay. Tomorrow, I'm getting my budgie. I'm getting a budgie. Oh, getting a budgie. And, I'm so excited about this, okay? I'm so excited about this because this could be a big deal for me because I'll be filming taming my budgie. The process of taming my budgie. I'll be filming that. And, it's gonna be a boy. I know that for a fact. It's gonna be a boy. We'll have to just see tomorrow what it's gonna be like. What color is the budgie gonna be? Because budgies are really cool, or they're really great for now don't quote me on this, but I think that they're really great for first time bird owners. I think that they're really good birds to have, and I've been doing some research on them for months. I mean literally months. No joke. Like literally months, you guys. And I was thinking it's a good opportunity to have a companion, a lifelong companion, and I've been missing out, like, alright, we're gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna find it in here, this letter that I've been looking for. That's from Navy Federal. What is this? What is this? Okay, hold on. What is this? Okay. That's not what I'm looking for. Bear with me for a second, you guys. GHS letter. Yes, I found it. I have it. I have it. Okay. This is my letter from my psychiatrist stating that I actually need a pet. So, that I actually need an animal companion. And I found it. I knew it was in here. I found it. It's like, it's right here. It's right here. This letter is right here. It's literally legit right here. Right here. So, I'm so excited about this. Like, literally, I am so excited about this. So, anytime that I have a place of my own, and they try to tell me that I can't have animals, boom, I'll just give him this letter. Okay, so yeah. I'm just like, oh, I'm so excited right now. Okay. I gotta calm down. So I learned some things about budgies. Budgie regards, as their natural name is. I learned that they need special care, that they are like babies, and they're so cute. They're just like little babies, and they're so cute. They're little bitties. About that big, maybe. About that big, maybe. Maybe that big. I'm not sure. My hand's not very big. It could be this big or this big. Maybe this big. Maybe this big. All I know is that they're pretty small. They need healthy food. A healthy diet. So that's what I want to make sure that he has when I get him. I'm going to make sure he has healthy food. I'm going to be taking pictures of this and putting it on my Facebook and putting it on my amino blog on the budgie amino. If you guys haven't already started going to the budgie amino, or you haven't heard about amino, let me tell you a little bit about amino, okay? Amino is fucking awesome. Okay? It is a social website, it is a social site that has multiple communities. Well, I'm getting tired already. And basically, I'm sorry, I zoned out for a second there. I was reading this. Basically, that's what Amino is. You can join Amino, and it's totally 100% free, and it's an app that you can get on your app store. It's available on all devices, including laptops. Yeah, so I recommend that you guys go ahead and check it out for yourselves and go get your guys a budgie. But don't just get the budgie just because I say so. Get the budgie because you know that you're going to be able to take care of it, okay? Because that is some hefty work there. They're a lot of work. They're not a toy. They're not for show. They are literally living creatures. So you got to treat them with love. Love. Treat your budgies with love, okay? Budgie awareness. I'm gonna be getting a budgie awareness shirt from the channel Elle and the Birds, I think it is. Elle and the Birds. I think that's the name of the channel. All I know is that her name is Elle and she's got birds. And she's got lots of them. I'm jealous. But at the same time, I'm not jealous because I don't think I can handle that many birds. But I can handle one bird. And I'm going to get a single bird for me. And my mom, she said that the week after she might get a bird for herself. 2 birds, 1 apartment. What could go wrong? A lot, actually. A we're not going to go there today. Today, we are going to go get a birdie. Tomorrow, actually. But tomorrow we're going to go get a bird. And I'm going to record it, every bit of it. And I'm going to be so happy. I'm not going to record every bit of it because we might not be allowed to record while we're in the store. But I will be recording the process of going to the store. And then the process of getting the birdie up the stairs to the room. Yay. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how excited I am right now. Okay, I got some cleaning to do. Be back later. Love you, loves. And remember, take care of your animals. Don't mistreat them. I'll come find you. And I'll teach you how to treat your animals. I love you.